Leaves, grass, and other green things make up nature. Hello, Salem High School. You already know me, but my name is Jack Armstrong, and today we're exploring the nature around the school we all know and love. All right, if we walk up here, you look to your right, you see green. You look to your left, you see more green. Oh my God, there's so much green. And then if you look up, you see blue. Nature is quite a wondrous thing, you know? Oh look, we found someone. What is your name?
Can you just leave me alone? Trying to eat my brownie.
What?
Trying to eat my brownie.
There you have it. You have a man in a gray sweatshirt trying to eat his brownie. Oh. Guys, we might have found Area 51.
This is big.
What?
We're locked out.
Are we? Hey. Good afternoon, or good morning. What the heck was that? Sounded like a bear. Oh, I know I am.
How did you even qualify for the job?
I didn't. I walked in and said grass is green and they gave me the mic. Oh, a clue! All right. It's ancient Mesopotamia. Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Not believe what I found here. Got a nice old Leafy Treefy. This is Leafy Treefy Jr. We've been out here since 1957. I have not seen a building in 50 years. I don't know who the president is. I have no idea what civilization is like. We're stuck in nature. Nothing like a nice hearty breakfast. We found a woodsman. He seems to be terrified. What do you have for us?
There's something in these woods.
There's something in these woods?
No, you don't understand. You don't understand. It's been here for millions of years. The town's been terrified. He's been stealing our children. No, you don't understand. You have to help us.
Sure, you gotta go. The heck was that? Come on. Came from this way. I see something. Get back here. Oh, look, a tennis ball. In the name of Phil Swift. He fell. The Declan. Apparently he's known to kill children. Shh, 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 shh. Oh my God! Oh my God! Run! 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 Ah! Oh my God!
There you go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Jack. Hey, Jack.
Hey,
We're gonna die!
I found your mom! Here we are, back at Salem High School. I can't wait to have all these student solutions and get some Salem 3 seals and some witch ticks.
All of those things are gone.
They're all gone? No witch ticks?
Your good deeds will go unrecognized.
I can't do this. I can't do this.
In the arm.
Us, back at Salem High School. Can't wait to have all these Shush!
Who is it?
Cut!